Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Wolverine in InVision's Web Verse. To acquire this legendary hero, you will need to diligently collect 25 unique character shards. These shards are essential components for unlocking his formidable abilities. Focus on completing various in-game activities and participating in special events. Gathering these specific fragments is your primary objective to add Wolverine to your powerful roster. This process ensures a rewarding journey as you build your ultimate team. To effectively gather Wolverine's character shards, prioritize completing your daily and weekly missions. Look for those specifically labeled with a heroic difficulty, as these often yield more valuable fragments. Additionally, progressing through story mode chapters 5, 6, 7, and 8 will guarantee you a steady supply of shards. Always aim for a perfect 3-star rating on all mission objectives to maximize your rewards and accelerate your progress towards unlocking this formidable hero. Special limited-time events are crucial for quickly acquiring Wolverine. These events frequently offer his character shards as a primary reward or as part of a grand prize. Participate actively to earn event-specific currency by defeating designated enemies or completing unique tasks. You can then exchange this currency for valuable Wolverine shards. Achieving a top 100 position on event leaderboards can even grant you a full character unlock, significantly speeding up the process. Once you have successfully collected all 25 Wolverine character shards, navigate to your character roster within the Webverse. Locate Wolverine and proceed to initiate his activation sequence. Upon activation, Wolverine will join your team with a formidable base power level of 1,500. Remember to continuously upgrade him using accumulated experience points and specialized ability materials to further enhance his combat effectiveness and unlock his full potential in battles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.